Oh, this one's small.
Definitely donate.
This video was filmed at our home in Las Vegas and not in front of a live audience. Just kidding. Hey, Mom and I worked on some cleaning and decluttering projects. I want to take the time to really clean her display case for her and start labeling things to who she wanted to pass down her favorite pieces. I began shelf by shelf, cleaning and showing my mom each piece as she told me stories about them. It felt so satisfying seeing the difference it made, and it sure made my mom's heart happy, like visiting with old friends.
So this one was right up there. Remember the princess house? Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, look, now we can see through it.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty, huh, Mom?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I just got to do the other one. It went from that to that. Pretty. I got to do that one now. Well, what do you think?
Beautiful.
From this to this, huh, Mom?
That is just a big difference.
Big time to big difference.
I hadn't washed them all. These are I had.
Yeah, they're pretty.
No, I think today was the first day you got clean them.
Yep.
Yeah. I don't remember washing them. I probably didn't for a long, long time.
Hopefully, Mom and I can go and sneak away, maybe get an Old Navy. I already went to Macy's. I didn't really have that much there. You know, we're trying to splurge a little bit, trying to get a better wardrobe for ourselves. Because, you know, you deserve it. We deserve it. I deserve it. You deserve it. I need to start going through her closet, and we're going to start purging some of her clothes that I know that she can part ways with, especially like her work clothes and other stuff. And she's had stuff in there for a long time, and I just think it's time to donate it and let someone else enjoy it. You know what I mean? Okay, Mom, I have some of your shirts, okay? Oh, look, that one has a stain on it. And I don't think we can donate that either.
I'm dreading the day I will have to go through my mom's things after she leaves this world one day. I know that there are some of you who already experienced that, and I want to take the time to begin now, along with my mom, Queen G, input to make it a little itty-bitty better than it already is a reality to face one day. Today, we decided together to declutter some of her clothes from her walk-in closet. In the beginning of the task, she wanted to keep it all, until she felt more comfortable in the process to let more go. My mom had done a massive declutter right before her stroke. I mean, mega, ultimate, massive declutter throughout the house. Honestly, she really surprised me she done that. She began the declutter journey way before I done my first 30 bags in 30 days. Back in the day with Sophia at My Great Challenge. I think Queen G done the exact same thing on her own. And boy, am I so grateful today she had done that.
I like that one.
Okay. How about this one?
I like that too.
Okay, you gotta donate something here. Out of these three, which one?
Maybe that one.
You want to donate this one?
Yeah.
I agree. So you're gonna keep the yellow and yellow?
Yeah, that one I can keep and wear at home.
Okay.
Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected.
How about this one?
Give that up.
Tank tops. You don't really wear tank tops, huh? Oh, this one's small.
Definitely donate.
I didn't even know you even had a flannel.
Oh my goodness, I didn't either.
You're donating it to Jay.
On a cold day, I wear it the top like a jacket.
You're the rose in a garden. And it
So we're gonna donate
morning.
and then toss.
You're the leaves
Okay.
in it all.
Got some more here.
Donate.
Donate
Yeah.
this one.
Donate.
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 That one?
Yeah.
You don't like the turtlenecks, huh?
Not anymore.
Yeah, I don't like them either. I think at one time everybody was into turtlenecks, and then all of a sudden we just stopped. Oh, I can tell you right now, Mom,
Donate.
that's too small. That's
Donate.
cute. Check the pockets.
Mhm.
That's cute, but yeah. That is too small. Someone will like that one.
Yeah, some skinny kid. I guess I used to be skinny at one time.
You used to be really skinny. What, size 0? I seen your pictures.
So slow. Hold you in my arms, won't let go.
Keep.
Ooh, how pretty. Where'd you get these at?
I don't know. There's only one store I used to love to shop at.
Really? It's at Corette. I never heard of that brand.
Keep.
You're the rose in a garden.
Donate.
Donate.
And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August. And I've come.
That one? No. Donate.
Oh my god, this is an
Donate.
old one. I remember that one.
Donate.
So slow. Hold you in my arms, won't let go.
Donate.
Because that one's a skirt. Small.
I think that's the donation
Yeah.
that I can wear around the house.
It barely even goes around your neck, Mom.
Okay, then donate.
Well, that means that you wore it well. And
Yeah.
as Marie Kondo says, you just have to think. Ooh,
I guess I better keep it.
how pretty is that?
Yeah, I'll keep.
Wow, Mom. Okay. Oh, I think this is how you had it too. You went like this.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks pretty. Okay, keep.
Say that I love you. Ooh, ooh.
You can stretch.
Mom, you can fit you can fit in these. Yeah, let's keep this. But
Okay,
the
keep-
shirt is too small.
I'll keep the pants.
Keep that will work. All right, we're doing good. So these are gonna be tossed. Maybe went through 30% of her clothes. And she's going to let these go, all donations there. She got rid of quite a lot. Actually, I'm really surprised. So that's really good. It helps me out in the future. So I'm going to get rid of these. Donate, donate. Here's some more. And then I have some of mine from my closet here. So I have about 3 bags. And then these here are going to go into the garbage. These have paint and stains and these, I don't know. If you guys remember Lerner, New York? That's way back in the 90s. Alright. Okay, so 2 more things for donations there. That's going to the garbage there. And just letting you guys know, this is another of miscellaneous like bed linens and towels I'm going to get rid of. I have my mom's old yoga mat. And I went through her display case, and these are going to be all donated, as well as the spice rack there, and then all of these books. And we have some miscellaneous stuff in here we don't need, and went through some of other cabinets and stuff, and this is like kitchen stuff. They're old, and I mean, they're still in good use, but I went ahead and I bought a brand new set of pots and pans here for this house for us. So that's good. So all of this, goodbye. I hope you received some type of motivation from today's video. If so, comment down below, like, and subscribe. Mom and I done a great job, and we'll continue on our next trip back to Vegas. Thanks for watching.
And I've come out here to say